An automatic tool changer, often called an ATC, is a system on a CNC machine that automatically switches cutting tools during machining without stopping the process or requiring operator intervention. Instead of manually removing one tool and installing another, the CNC machine selects the required tool from a tool magazine and exchanges it according to the programmed instructions. This entire process happens in seconds and is repeated with high accuracy every time. In a typical machining job, multiple operations are required, such as drilling, milling, tapping, and finishing, and each operation needs a different cutting tool. Without an automatic tool changer, the machine must stop every time a tool change is needed, which interrupts the workflow and adds downtime. With an automatic tool changer, the machine continues working while tool changes happen automatically. The CNC program controls when a tool change is needed, which tool is selected, and how the exchange is performed, ensuring consistent and repeatable results. During machining, the spindle releases the current tool. The tool changer selects the next tool from the magazine, and the new tool is loaded into position without manual involvement. Everything is coordinated by the CNC control, allowing the process to remain smooth and predictable. Compared to manual tool changes, automatic tool changing reduces downtime, improves consistency, and eliminates small positioning errors that can occur when tools are changed by hand. Over a full shift, these time savings and accuracy improvements make a significant difference in productivity. In simple terms, an automatic tool changer transforms CNC machining from a stop-and-go process into a continuous programmed workflow, which is exactly what modern manufacturing demands. If you're not following now, you may not find this explanation again.